you go ahead and put your hands behind your back, please?
I didn't do nothing.
Can you just go ahead and put your...
No, can I call?
What you're about to see is one of the strangest encounters caught on police body cam. Officers were called after reports of a man smoking meth in public. When they arrived, they spotted someone matching the description exactly, but instead of cooperating, the man became defensive, insisting he had done nothing wrong. As officers attempted to detain him, he suddenly ran off, leading police on his short but tense foot pursuit. When he was finally cornered, things took an even stranger turn. The suspect refused to follow commands and began claiming he was actually an undercover officer, even calling himself the chief of police. Despite his wild excuses and resistance, officers managed to bring him under control, charging him with multiple serious offenses. This video captures every moment of that bizarre confrontation. Let's take a look at the full footage.
The Joseph? Tim. Joseph.
What's going on?
Hey. One of our officers saw you on the camera smoking meth in the...
I wasn't smoking no meth, I was just walking through.
Well, they called out your exact description, so you're just going to be detained right now, okay?
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back, please?
I didn't do nothing.
Can you just go ahead and put your...
No, can I call? Can I get some help? No, what did I do wrong? What am I going to?
Detained, put your hands behind. It's okay.
What am I going to, Lex?
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong?
If you put your hands behind your back, we can tell you.
Come on, get the wall.
What the am I going to, man?
Now. Seven's on one central male, northbound Roberts Valley. Punch two officers in the face. Yeah, we're good.
You good?
Yeah. Let's go. He's running towards the Salvation Army lot right now. The American Royal, light blue jeans, dark blue tank top, long hair. West side of Salvation Army. Medical pursuit open right now. Northbound behind Salvation Army west side. Put your hands in the air now! Stop! One at Taze Point, north side Salvation Army. Down! Back up now! Get on the ground! Get your arms out in front of you. Lie down. Put your hands behind the small of your back right now.
Okay, cover.
Give me your arm. Let go of the handcuff. Ferguson said that's a 1 male 83. Throw my way. Check the sides here.
Let's see the police. I was under. I'm doing an investigation.
Push a damn officer, man.
I did. He was a traitor. I wasn't an officer.
You want glove up real quick?
I'm the chief of police.
Sit him up. Sit up, man. Bring your knees to your chest. We're
You
gonna shoot
legally
you.
detained me. I'm undercover.
Get up.
I'm undercover.
Get
Sit
your
up.
knees up now. I don't give a damn. You're undercover.
I'm undercover.
Sit up.
You want a 600?
Let me get this for you.
746. I'm sure you don't need a 600 right now. $746 to the Zebra unit.
Stand up. 1, 2, 3.
On the north side of Southern County.
I'm the chief of police. I'm being illegally detained.
10-4.
I order on the chief of police under investigation on why I'm arrested.
3 counts of assault on a peace officer now. Good, no sir. Take a seat.
If you enjoyed this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, make sure to like, comment, and share it with others. Your support really helps me bring more content like this.